this video is to actually show you guys the basic navigation inside of our system, right? So what you're looking at is the basic when you log into the system, you'll see this dashboard, and this information here is this is sample data, right? This is but it gives us an opportunity to actually look at a demo account and see what the inside of the dashboard looks like. This gives you a bird's eye view of what's going on inside of your business uh, as it relates to online, right? So the clients or potential people that are coming in, that are potential clients that are coming in through your pipeline or your sales process, you can kind of track the numbers and see the conversion rates and see what's going on inside of your business on this page, right? And there's a lot more reporting that we have available. We'll get deeper into that in some other trainings, but really, really powerful stuff. So this is the basic navigation. Pretty much everything to navigate inside of your account is going to be on the left-hand side, right? So, and let me move me out of the way because I'm kind of blocking to where you can't see everything. So let me just do that. Okay, boom. All right, so here's the left-hand side, and this is the menu that you can go to, and this is where you pretty much can navigate to everything inside of the system. So we have the main dashboard, showed you that. The launch pad, this is where you would connect all of your important things that you need to connect to the system, like your Facebook page. There's a way to connect your Stripe account. If you have a WordPress website, you can connect your WordPress to our system and actually host your WordPress website on our system if you'd like to. Okay. Then there's also the ability to add new users to your account. So that way, if you have staff, if you have a sales team, if you have a VA that you need to have inside of your account to help you do different tasks, this is where you can have a quick get a quick start on getting those people added. Also have, I'm kind of jumping around, guys, but we also have the ability to connect the system to your Google My Business profile. Excuse me. And that will allow you to be able to, later on, you'll see, we'll be able to automate the process of sending review requests to our clients, which is extremely powerful. And I'll talk a little bit about that in a minute. But so let's move on. So the next is the conversations, right? So conversations is where you would basically you would have conversations with your clients. So all of the communication that would take place inside of your system would happen. Um, I'll say it this way: you'll be able to track it and see it all in the conversations tab, right? So this is a sample person, right? Test guy, but all the emails corresponded, all the text messages, right? All of the Facebook Messenger messages through our Facebook page, right? The messages through our Instagram business page, all of that, we can see it all in this conversations tab. Okay. So this is a very powerful tool, a very powerful section that allows you, and not only can we see the conversation, but we can actually email out from this section. We can text from this section. Um, and we can go back and we can always kind of track and trace and see what the conversation was about, whether it be a sales conversation or them having a request about the product or service or needing support. You can see all that there. All right. Then next is the calendar section. We give you unlimited calendars. You can create as many as you want. You can assign calendars to other users. You can also automate the process so that you have booking. You can have a booking calendar and you can connect it to your Zoom account. So that way, when somebody books in, then they'll automatically get a Zoom link and it's scheduled for whenever you guys meet on Zoom if you want to do that. Just a really, really powerful calendar. This tool would pretty much eliminate any other calendars that you might would have. That you might be using for booking. You can literally just utilize this tool as your booking tool. Okay. Then opportunities, right? Actually, let me back up. Let's go to contacts. I just skipped it. This is important. So contacts, and again, this is sample data. This is not real information. And so, but with your contacts area, this is where you can keep track of everybody that is in your system. Now, what's really beautiful about our system is we allow you to tag everything. Tags are a very important part of this system, and so you can tag somebody by how they come into your system, whether they come in through Facebook or they come in through text message or they come in through email. You can have a tag set up for that, so that way when it's time for you to communicate with different people in different segmentation, different lists, you can search a tag and filter and find the right people that you want to communicate with. Let's say someone purchased a certain product, and then you want to be able to follow up with that group of people that purchased that product, whether it be a special opportunity or an upsell that you want to present to that group of people. You can do that by just searching the tag for that product, and it'll give you a list of all the people that bought that product, and then you can follow up with an email or text message and let them know, hey, if you like that product, we have an additional product that will complement that. Here's an offer, right? So powerful tool that's built into the contacts area. Okay. Moving on is the opportunities, and again, this is a basic navigation training on how to see where everything is at, right? So opportunities, that's where you can track where someone is in the pipeline, in the sales pipeline. So let's say a lead comes in, they're interested, they clicked on an email, they replied back to a email or text, and the system can be automated to where it moves that person down the sales process. Let's say they book an appointment with you or one of your team, the system can move that person in. And so anytime as the owner of the company, you can go in and look and see, okay, this is where, okay, I can see where this person is in the sales process. Okay. Very powerful. Moving on is the payment section. All right. So this is where you would create invoices for your clients, right? Your customers. You can do reoccurring invoices. You can track your orders. Okay. Subscriptions. So if you have a subscription program or some type of product where you're selling it as a subscription, you can track all of that. Any transactions that take place, you can create your products right here, right? So all of your products, you can create all that. You want to make sure you connect your Stripe account, obviously. But once you do that, then you can create as many products as you want. It's unlimited what you can create in the system as far as products are concerned. Tax settings, you can go in and set that up. And then integrations, like I said earlier, you can integrate your Stripe account, integrate your PayPal account, and so that is it with the payments. Then moving on is marketing. So the first thing that we have in this section is your social media planner. This allows you to be able to plan out your social media, right? So people ask me all the time, man, how are you posting all the time? Like what? And I tell them, look, I schedule that out. I schedule out my social media. So there's no way I could uh, I could not sit down all day and be posting all day, all the time. So I use this tool and I actually schedule out my posts. So I try to schedule out 30 days out. And so I'm able to take one day and sit down and schedule everything out, and then it just runs. It's scheduled. It posts automatically for me throughout the month or whatever set time that I put in place. So I connect my Facebook page, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, um, my Twitter as well. And so this, when you get an account, you get this. This comes with your account. So you get the social media planner, and you can schedule that out. You don't have to have a social media manager. You can actually just schedule out your stuff yourself, and then allow this to do the automation, right? And that's what we mean about the power of automation and automating your business, right? So then the next is the emails, right? So you can have an email campaign. You can schedule that out, set up campaigns, and send those out automatically to your email list. There are templates, trigger links. We'll get more into trigger links. That's a very powerful tool that we have built in. Affiliate management software. So literally, you can have your own affiliate program, and you can invite people into that, and then you can decide on how you want to pay those affiliates. So if someone says, yes, I want to promote your products, and you say, okay, great. Well, then I tell you what, if you promote my product, I will give you a 20% commission, or I'll give you a 30% commission. And then you can set that up inside of the affiliate manager. Extremely powerful, very powerful. Matter of fact, I think affiliate management, I think that's probably one of the best ways to advertise beyond organic advertisement or paid ads is affiliate advertisement, because you have people that are going out and they're being the salesperson for you. They're going out and doing word of mouth, and then you compensate them for that. You let them know, hey, listen, when you use your link, right, and you send that person your link that's coded to you, then that shows up in my system, and then that lets me know that you earned that commission. If that person purchases using your link, then I will pay you a percentage of the proceeds from that, and that's how that works. But you have that built into your account when you sign up. All right, so what else we have? So there's automations, right? So automations are extremely powerful. I'll do a whole training on the automations. When you purchase an account, I actually have some customized automations that I give you to get you started for your booking app, through your booking calendar. It's extremely powerful stuff that's built in. We'll get more into that in further trainings. Your sites. This is where you would build out your websites, right? So this is where you would create your funnels, and excuse me, you could create by going to a certain template. And let's say you have a cooking. Let's see, what is this here? Actually, let's go back. Let's look for a different one here. Go to template library, and let's just look for legal. Let's say there was an attorney, right? You're an attorney, and you need a funnel for your practice. Like literally, we have a funnel already for you, right? So um, just answer some questions here, get this template, and it should take a second here. Did it show up? I don't see it, but let's go back here. Hmm. Oh, there it is. Okay, right. So it just took a couple seconds. So, but here's a funnel right here, already laid out. The template is already laid out. So literally, all you have to do now is just go in, and of course, my computer is running slow because I'm on a live, but we will get there. And there it is. Okay, so here we are. So here's the template. Basically, is drag and drop, right? So literally, you can go in and you can edit the logo here. You can change the header to whatever you want it to be. You can change the buttons. Beautiful, beautiful templates already laid out, and literally, you just put in your information. You can change any of this stuff, can be customized and changed. You can change the colors. You can change the pictures, the wording, obviously, and then you can assign a booking calendar, right, to this button, change this profile picture. All this stuff can be customized to your business. And then once that's done, then obviously you would save it, and then you would update the rest of the pages. But literally, within a few minutes, you could have a functioning website funnel ready to go for your business, and start attracting new leads, new customers into your business. And so we have tons of these templates that we have available for pretty much anything under the sun as far as business is concerned, any niche. We have that available. And listen, I have funnels and websites that I've built out for churches. I have a church, and so I've been able to build out our church's website utilizing this tool. It's extremely powerful for just building out quickly high quality websites and funnels, guys. So that is how you access the sites right here. Okay. Then the reputation management. This allows for you to be able to send out review requests to your contacts. So if you have customers, if you have potential customers that they or customers that actually purchase products from you, you can automate this to where it will send a review request and ask them for a 5-star review. Right. And if you know how important reviews are, and really at the end of think about it, how powerful reviews are. When's the last time you went and purchased something from Amazon? Right, when you go to Amazon and before you make that purchase, nine times out of 10, you're going to go and look at the reviews, right? You're going to look and see what are people saying about this product. You know, what are the positive reviews? What are the negative reviews? And then based on what you see, nine times out of 10, that's going to drive your decision to purchase, right? I know that happens with me all the time. When I see a product that I really like, it could have a good sales pitch, a good, the product looks great, but I'm gonna go check those reviews out and see what people are saying about the product, right? And so that is, I believe, extremely powerful for you to know as a business owner. It's so important for you to make sure that you're asking for those reviews for your business so that way you can compile those positive reviews. And so when people go to your website, when they go to your funnel, then they'll be able to look and see those reviews and say, hey, this seems like a good product. They got a lot of positive reviews. I'm going to go ahead and make that purchase, right? And so this system allows you to automate that process and automatically ask for those reviews because a lot of people do not ask for the review, right? And so the people that end up giving a review a lot of times weren't asked to do it, and is usually most people that automatically give a review on them by themselves is going to be a negative review, right? Because they cared enough they went through all the trouble because they were upset enough. They went through all the trouble to get on your page or get on in the review section and type out why they were upset about the product, right? And so the people that are happy, a lot of times they don't even think about giving a review. So this is an extremely powerful tool because it reminds them and says, hey, did you like the product? Would you be willing to give a review? And then nine times out of 10, they're going to say, yeah, absolutely. And then they jump on and give a good review. And then now you have that listed on your Google My Business reviews, right? So that's extremely powerful, I believe, to a business owner to be able to have that feature, and we have it built in to the Wheel Jams Hub. All right. So there's a lot more I can show you guys. Again, this is a really basic navigation video. Last but not least is the settings section, right? So the settings, this is where you would update your settings. This is really important. You want to make sure you update your business logo. You want to make sure you update your basic information. All of that is done here. Don't forget to update the information in each section. Hit this green button in each section when you update the information. People call me and say, hey, it's not working. It's not working. And I say, did you click the green button to update? Oh, I just did it in the one. Yeah, you got to make sure you update every section and click the green button. Okay. So, and that's really it, guys. That is the basics. There's so much more that I want to show you guys on some more trainings, but this video is about the basic navigation of the Wheel Jams Hub digital marketing system.